Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado oil without an oven. First, select several very ripe avocados. Their softness indicates high oil content. Carefully peel and pit them, then mash the green flesh into a smooth paste. Next, add just a splash of water to the mashed avocado. This helps create a slurry, which is crucial for the next step in separating the oil. Now, transfer your avocado mash to a pot and place it over very low heat. It's important to stir the mixture continuously and gently. You'll notice the water slowly evaporating, and the avocado paste will darken. As it cooks, the oil within the avocado cells will start to release and gather on the surface, forming small pools. Once a good amount of oil has collected, carefully skim it off the top using a spoon or ladle. Next, pour this collected oil through a fine mesh cheesecloth or a very thin kitchen towel. This step removes any remaining avocado solids, leaving you with a cleaner oil. For even greater purity, you can repeat the straining process 1 or 2 more times. To keep your homemade avocado oil fresh, transfer it into an airtight dark glass bottle. Store this bottle in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and heat. When stored correctly, your delicious, homemade avocado oil can maintain its quality for several months, ready for all your culinary needs. Also, for those looking to streamline their cooking, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.